Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can add animations to overlay video in Shortcut. So here I've already have a main video and also overlay. And if you want to add animation on the overlay only, you can just click on the overlay on the timeline, find animation at the bottom in here, then just explore on the animations that you want to add into the overlay. So there are shake, zoom in, move, and also maybe let's try scroll right. Okay, so that depends on your needs, but I'm going to just try to add fade. Here you can adjust the duration of the animation and just click on the check icon when you are done, and it will be applied to your overlay video. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.